What is the best female urination devices 2023? Here are my 4 reviews of the best female urination devices 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Urinals for Men Foolproof by PerfectMed. Foolproof Heavy Duty Pee Bottler 2-pack. These urinals are heavy duty and designed to last, unlike cheap flimsy leaky ones you get in the market. Our screw-on lid makes it complete leak-proof. Glow-in-dark lid. Our lids are not just spill-proof but also glows-in-dark. Glow-in-dark makes it easy to find the bottle at night. Brightness of glow depends upon how long it gets exposed to light during daytime. DOS not tip over. Our urinal have a unique tip-over protection designed at the bottom. Other urinal in market as a flat base, whereas our base has an extended base which make it stable even when empty. Large 32R size, perfect size for your emergency pee need. Use it multiple times at night without a need to empty at middle of night. 100% money back guarantee. We are so confident in our quality of product that we are giving 100% money. Number 2. Female urination device. Reusable silicone female urinal foolproof. High quality silicone material. The female urination device is made of soft and flexible high quality silicone, free from harmful substances. Prevent odor. Safer and easier to clean. It can be washed with soapy water for repeated use. Unique design. The female urinal is small size, lightweight, but will not collapse, can be folded, easy to carry. It is very comfortable to use, and the long spout allows for easy aiming and no splashback. Easy to carry. For any outdoor activity, you can fold the female urinal into the drawstring bag and carry it around. So easy and convenient, does not take up space. With the women's pee funnel, you no longer have to worry about the dirtiness of public toilets. About the pee funnel for women. If you're interested in our female urinal, please give yourself a comfortable experience. You can try. If there is any problem with our women urinal, we are willing to provide a full refund. Number 3. OUTFANDIA Female Urinal Foolproof. 1000 ml volume storage 9.4 x 4.7 putty urinal holds 34 ounces, 1000 ml liquid. Greatly storage enough urine when travel, driving or camping. Spill-proof made of top-notch PP, lightweight yet sturdy to withstand mass usage. Spill-proof lid with reliable rubber ring to prevent leakage. Unisex for kids and adult. OUTFANDIA pee bottle can be easily handled for men and women, kids and adults. One device meet all of your needs. Reusable mobile toilet pot TY semi-transparent material and color, allowing you to observe the remaining capacity anytime, anywhere. Large opening the funnel with wide aperture design help prevent side leakage, especially for lady. Number 4. Vogel Female Urination Device. Vogel is a female urination device or female urinal that is made in the USA and is produced in an FDA-registered facility using certified medical-grade silicone. Vogel is latex and BPA-free. Vogel is soft and flexible, lightweight, and very comfortable to use. Vogel is travel-friendly and come rolled up with a tissue and plastic baggie inside a reusable traveling tube. Easily fits in a pocket or purse, so it is easy to carry. Great portable women's urinal funnel for travel. The GoGirl has a unique patented design to naturally form to your body to create a seal. The tip of the GoGirl allows for a steady stream. No splashing or spraying. After practicing a few times at home, standing to pee with GoGirl will become second nature. GoGirl female urination device is a must-have for camping, hiking, biking, travel abroad, concerts and festivals, for the car, hunting, boating and more. This female pee funnel allows you to pee without a toilet, or an injured female can pee standing up to avoid squatting. Number 5. Medn Life Female Portable Urinal for Women. Female urination device allows you to urinate standing like a man and solve the trouble of women urinating squatting. Don't worry about the dirty public toilet. Choose female urinals in traffic jams, camping, boating and hiking, and don't squat behind cars or bushes. Female urination device is made of high-quality silica gel, free of harmful chemicals, soft and non-irritating to the skin. Arc design. When in use, it is very close to the body, and there is no leakage during urination. The extended nozzle is adopted to make the aiming direction simple and accurate, so as to prevent urine from splashing on clothes or clothes. Easy to use, you just need to easily separate your legs, slightly protrude your hips, then take off your pants and let the urination funnel close to your body. Finally, you can enjoy yourself. If you're not satisfied with our products, you can return them and we will give you a full refund.